Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can join this new feature on Valorant. It's called Join the Conflict, Alpha versus Omega. So if you go to play here, you'll see the section that says Join the Conflict, Alpha versus Omega. Choose a side. It's Alpha versus Omega, Brimstone versus Viper, and you versus half the world. Choose your side and fight for the future of your reality. 4 weeks of challenges. Every week, new challenges will drop, and the whole world will fight for their side. Earn points and push the enemy back. Earn rewards. The conflict rewards its strongest fighters. Picking up points for your side will help you qualify for in-game rewards, with top earners scoring premium rewards. Then you're going to choose now. I don't think it's working yet for my region, but hopefully it works for yours. You're just going to choose now, and it's going to redirect you to a website on Valorant, of course. Well, like on Valorant's official website. So, and you're just going to choose a side, and I think you will earn points depending on who you pick. And later, if for instance you're on Omega's team and you earn more points than the Alpha's team, you'll get these rewards. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.